Replacing your windows is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your home, especially in a place like Pasadena where comfort, energy efficiency, and style all matter. If you're considering vinyl window replacement, knowing what to expect during the process can help you feel confident and prepared from start to finish. Vinyl windows are a popular choice because they are durable, energy efficient, and low maintenance. But beyond the product itself, the installation process plays a key role in ensuring you get the full benefits of your investment. The process typically begins with an in-home consultation. During this step, professionals assess your current windows, take precise measurements, and discuss your goals. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, or reduce maintenance, this is your opportunity to choose the right window styles, sizes, and features for your Pasadena home. Once your custom vinyl windows are ordered and ready, installation day is scheduled. Before the team arrives, you'll want to prepare your home by clearing the area around your windows. Moving furniture, window treatments, and decor allows installers to work efficiently and helps protect your belongings during the process. On installation day, the first step is removing your existing windows. This is done carefully to avoid damage to the surrounding walls and trim. While there may be some noise and minor disruption, experienced installers work methodically to keep the process as smooth as possible. After removal, the window opening is inspected. This is an important step, as it allows installers to check for any hidden issues such as moisture damage, rot, or structural concerns. Addressing these problems before installing the new windows ensures a solid foundation and long-lasting performance. Next comes the installation of the new vinyl windows. Each window is placed into the opening, leveled, and secured. Precision is key here. Proper alignment ensures that the windows operate smoothly and seal tightly. This tight fit is what helps prevent drafts and improves energy efficiency in your Pasadena home. Sealing and insulation follow the installation. High-quality materials are used to fill any gaps between the window frame and the wall. This step is crucial for preventing air leaks and moisture intrusion. In Pasadena's warm climate, a well-sealed window helps keep cool air inside and hot air out, improving overall comfort. Once the windows are secured and sealed, finishing touches are applied. This may include installing trim, sealing edges, and cleaning the glass. The goal is to leave your windows looking polished and fully integrated into your home's design. After installation, the team will typically perform a final walkthrough with you. They'll show you how to operate your new windows, explain any maintenance tips, and ensure everything meets your expectations. This is also a great time to ask questions and make sure you're comfortable with your new windows. Most vinyl window replacement projects can be completed in a single day, depending on the number of windows and the complexity of the installation. While there may be some temporary disruption, the long-term benefits make it well worth it. Once your new windows are in place, you'll likely notice an immediate improvement in comfort. Rooms may feel cooler and more consistent in temperature, especially during Pasadena's warmer days. You may also notice reduced outside noise and improved natural light, enhancing the overall feel of your home. Another benefit is the low maintenance that vinyl windows provide. Unlike wood, vinyl doesn't require painting or sealing. A simple cleaning routine is usually enough to keep them looking great, making them ideal for busy homeowners. Ultimately, vinyl window replacement is a straightforward process when handled by experienced professionals. From consultation to installation, each step is designed to ensure your new windows perform efficiently and look beautiful. For homeowners in Pasadena, understanding what to expect can make the experience smoother and more enjoyable. With the right preparation and a skilled installation team, you can look forward to a home that's more comfortable, energy efficient, and visually appealing for years to come.